Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting hard numbers, input costs, labor minutes, and overhead allocation. Once done, convert labor into an hourly rate and calculate per piece labor cost. Make sure to count waste and trims too, because small losses add up. Also allocate a portion of fixed monthly costs to each bangle based on expected monthly production. When you have these figures, you can calculate a base cost per unit. This foundation prevents underpricing. You now add profit and check the market. Apply your chosen margin to the base cost, and then compare that result with competitor prices and perceived value. Once done, adjust for design complexity, embellishments, and brand positioning so your rate isn't the cheapest by default. Make sure to set a standard retail, wholesale, and custom rate, and define price bands for simple versus ornate pieces. This step balances profit goals with customer expectations. You finish by formalizing rates and testing them in market conditions. Once done, produce a clear rate sheet with SKUs and breakpoints, then run a small batch to monitor sales velocity and margins. Make sure to track returns, production time variance, and customer reactions. If sales are slower than expected, tweak one variable at a time. Lower margins slightly, add perceived value, or introduce limited-time promotions. Troubleshooting tip: if conversion is poor, measure which factor, price, presentation, or placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.